Okay, here we have a 1983 Chevrolet 454 big block. Stone stock, other than it does have an Edelbrock aluminum Performer 2.0 intake on it, but with the factory quadrajet carb, factory ignition, blah blah blah. Turbo 400 trans is included. Truck was running and driving before the motorhome that once resided on it got interior water damage from a leaking roof and was beyond savable. Engine has approximately 54 to 55,000 original miles. And here we go with cold startup. This engine's not been warmed up. It's only been cranked till it fired and shut off. Here we go. Well, we only had enough fuel in it to fill the bowl, so it died on me. But as you can see, runs like a top. No knocks, no pinging, there's no smoking coming from it. Perfect engine.